morning, student. Today we are discuss class 10 chemistry, carbon and its compound. Today is the seventh part of this chapters. So today our topic is the water homologous series. This is the most important topic of this chapters. So today we are discuss about what is homologous series. So a series of similar constituted compounds in which the member present have the same functional group and similar chemical properties. What are two things we have to remember? They have the same functional group and similar chemical properties. And any two successive member in a particular series differ in their molecular formula by CH2 unit. What are different? By CH2 unit. Means one compound to the next compound of this series are different by CH2 group. So we are discussing example of this one CH4, C2H6, C3H8, C4H10. These all are the different by CH2 group. Means here what are one carbon and four hydrogens, and the next compound of this group, and this group are known as what are alkane family. In alkane family, they have all the compounds they have one general formula. What are general formula? And this is the CnH2n plus 2. And according to this general formula, all these compounds are formed in there. When the n is equal to 1, we get what are CH4. Okay. N is equal to 1 means C1 and H2 into 1, 2 plus 2, 4. So this is the first member. And the when n is equal to 2, then we get C2H6. C2H6 is the second. So what are the difference here? One carbon are increased and two hydrogen are increased. So one member to the second member, the difference is what are CH2. Okay. So any two successive member in a particular series differ in their molecular formula by CH2 unit. ये important है. Okay. क्या difference है इसमें? CH2 unit difference है. तो उसको हम बोलेंगे क्या? Homologous series. ओके तो x इज वन देखना. एक तो सेम फंक्शनल ग्रुप. ओके सेम फंक्शनल ग्रुप होगा तो क्या होगा? उसका केमिकल प्रॉपर्टीज क्या होगा? सिमिलर होगा. और उसका जो कंपाउंड में जो डिफरेंस है क्या होगा? CH2 यूनिट होगा. और एक एग्जांपल हम डिस्कस करके देखेंगे. इट इज द अल्कोहल. इन अल्कोहल व्हाट आर द जनरल फॉर्मूला ऑफ अल्कोहल? The general formula of alcohol are what are CnH2n plus 1 OH, or it is also known as what are ROH. R means what are alkyl group. So the family of this compound are what are alcohol. The general formula of alcohol are what are CnH2n plus 1 OH. So when we use n is equal to 1, we get the compound what are C1 and S 2 into 1 2 plus 1 3 CH3OH. And when n is equal to 2, then we get C2 and S what are 2 into 2 4 plus 1 5 C2H5OH. When n is equal to 3, we get C3 H what are 3 into 2 6 plus 1 7 OH. When we use n is equal to 4, then we get C4 H4 into 2 8 or 1 9 C4 H9 OH. Okay. So one compound to second compound, what are difference? CH2 group. Then it is a homologous series. Here one OH are same all compound, but what are difference? One carbon and three hydrogens, but here two carbon and five hydrogens. Means what are increase? CH2 increase from this compound to compound. What are is here two carbon and here three carbon. One carbon more and five hydrogens. Here seven hydrogens. So CH2 group are increase. So they are successive atoms. So one compound to next compound. What are difference? CH2 group are different. Then that is in homologous series. So another example we are discussing, it is alkene. So next part, their naming also we have discussed. This is naming is the most important. IUPAC naming or nomenclatures. Alkene. In alkene, the general formula what are CnH2n. CnH2n. When n is equal to 1, we taken then what is C1 or H2. This is not possible because the carbon their valency are not satisfied. That's why in case of alkene, what are started from n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2, then we get C2H4. This is the first compound. And n is equal to 3, then C3H6. N is equal to 4, then C4H8. So what are the difference? 1 carbon increase and hydrogen what are 2 4 6 2 increase. So what are the difference? CH2 unit are difference of CH2 group are difference, and this is also a homologous series. So what are the characteristics of a homologous series? It is also most important because question will come, what are the characteristics of a homologous series? What are the properties or characteristics of a homologous series? First properties are, all the member of homologous series are represented by same functional group. All the homologous series all the member of a homologous series are represented by general formula. Are represented by what? Same general formula. Same general formula. Like in case of alkane, the same general formula used, it is the CnH2n plus 2. But in case of alkene, the general formula used CnH2n. This one apply for all this compound of alkane, and this one apply for all the compounds of alkene. They have the what are same general formula. But in case of alkyne, what are used? General formula CnH2n minus 2. It is the first characteristics of a homologous series. Next, the second characteristics are what are? Any two adjacent homologous are different by 1 carbon atoms and 2 hydrogen atoms in their molecular formula. Okay, so this one we are discussing example already. Okay, so the difference by what are? CH2 group. Different by what are? CH2 group or CH2 unit means what are different in 1 carbon and 2 hydrogen. So one member to second member in a same homologous series, what are difference? 1 carbon and 2 hydrogens. Like in case of alkane, CH4, C2H6, C3H8 means what are difference? 1 member to second member, 1 carbon atom and 2 hydrogen atom are difference. This is the second properties of homologous series. And the third properties of this homologous series are what are? They have the what are? Similar their properties. They are similar chemical properties. All the compound have the homologous series are the similar chemical properties. The third characteristics are similar chemical properties. Okay, similar chemical properties, not same but similar. And the fourth, The fourth characteristics are with the increase in their molecular mass, gradually change in their physical properties. Okay, with the increase in molecular mass, okay, one carbon and two hydrogens are increased means their molecular mass also increase. So with the increase in molecular mass, the changes in their physical properties like melting point, boiling point, etc. Okay, इसमें चेंज होता है melting point and boiling points. This is the some characteristics about what a homologous series. So homologous series are the mainly a group of compounds. They have the same functional group and they have the similar chemical properties. Okay, and the first one thing is we remember they have the difference. The member of this compound is CH2 unit. Okay, so what is homologous series? They have the same functional group, similar chemical properties, and the difference by CH2 unit. Okay, the member of the compound of a series, they are different by CH2 unit. This is about what a homologous series. I hope all of you understand homologous series. So next part we are discuss about what are IUPAC nomenclature. This is the most important in carbon compounds or organic compound nomenclatures. In higher class also they are largely used. We do not name the compound, then how can you write the equations? So thank you for watching. All of you are stay home and safe life.